Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to make text bigger on Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat. Then you will notice that the font size is actually quite small, which is text size. Now, as you see, there is no option within the app to change it. Of course, none of the applications provide you that option itself. So the thing that you have to do over here is you have to change the text size of the font size on your phone itself. Whether you're using Android or iOS, you have to look for the font size option inside your phone. Now open Settings, scroll down, then tap on Display and Brightness. Tap on Text Size. From here, you can increase the text size. As you can see on my screen, my text is bigger now. After this, exit the settings and reopen Snapchat. Now you can see that the text size is much bigger. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.